Here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and I have another super fresh arrival to the lot, guys. These are our first 2027 KZ Durango Half-Ton Series 286 BHD on the model number, guys. This is a really cool fifth wheel floor plan. We do have the front end storage. Check it out. 2 awnings. How cool is that? Just beside us, we do have the leash latch that doubles as a bottle opener, and they do come with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Back here, we have our mini fridge, which is actually in a separate compartment, and they came out with a new drop-down flat-top grill, which is really cool, and there's also a sink just beside that. Solid step above steps get us in. Come on inside, guys. Inside the door of the Durango Half-Ton, instantly we come in and there's this storage compartment right here. You could use it as a big pantry, maybe store your shoes in there, and then check out the entertainment area. Tons of storage up top. We do have the solar systems on it. TV comes with the unit with the sound bar down below and the fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights. Over here, you do have theater seating. They massage and they heat. Power recline, which is pretty cool. And then you have your dinette here that will drop down into a table. I actually love the looks of the cushions on there. Really nice. And you do have some storage underneath that as well. Might as well keep on going in a circle because check out these bunks. You could sleep probably like 3 people up here. These are absolutely huge. Same down below. And you also have storage just beside and a door for privacy, of course. Over into the kitchen, tons of counter space, tons of storage. Check out the sink. Boom. Huge sink on her. Nice size microwave. And then down below we have our 3-burner cooktop with a great size oven. Nice fridge here as well. Double door with the freezer down below. And then up into the upstairs of the unit, check out this new control panel. You can actually dim all the lights, which is really cool. Porcelain toilet, tons of space around that. Easy step into the shower, and lots of space here as well. On-demand hot water on this unit, so you don't have to worry about taking a cold shower. Fans right where you want it. Tons of vanity space. Good spot for your towels. And your medicine cabinet, of course. Into the master bedroom. Queen size bed. We do have like little cubbies on either side. I was going to say his or hers closets, but they're not really closets because you got this wardrobe area right here. Tons of space in there for all your clothing needs. Some more storage up above as well. And you can mount a TV right here if you wanted to, guys, with an AC in the bedroom. Folks, this is an awesome unit. Pretty cool for a half-ton series unit. If you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on the website at pineacresrv.com.